What's up, guys? Welcome to today's episode. And today we're going to talk about enabling console sharing on a PlayStation console. Now, it's important to understand that the PlayStation account has already been on a different console. So now we are just enabling it here to share the games. First of all, we need to check if our controller is connected. We see it's not connected, so we're going to put it on to make sure it's connected. Now it's connected. Now that it's connected, we're usually going to add a new user because we are adding the new account. But since we have it here already, we're just going to go ahead and click it. This is the password for my console. Now, when you enter into the game, you're going to go to settings and you're going to go to users and accounts. Then you go to order. Once you're here, you go to console sharing and then you enable it. And there you have it. Your PS5 console sharing has been enabled. That will be all for today. On to the next one. See ya.